Guys, good evening, all of you. Here it is Sanjay Bharadwaj, Senior Secretary and Director of Bharadwaj IAS. And my videos and lectures are available on this Movishala app. So currently here we are going to discuss the last UPSC mains paper. And the component is history segment, So here we are starting with the UPSC GS mains paper and the component is history. So we are starting this from this question here. It is the first question on the screen, and it has been asked in 2018. And guys, in UPSC, you may be very much aware, the questions are not story-based questions. We are having the components of art and culture, modern history, and the world history. Almost majority of questions which has been raised by UPSC in the last years, you may have come to know that the questions are always linked with some current aspects. So here be always aware of this point. So here we are going to discuss the art and culture component question. The question is on the screen. Safeguarding the Indian art heritage is the need of the moment. Discuss. So see how we can proceed on this question is like this, So see, we can proceed like this. So first try to understand the need of the question here. Question is asking you that safeguarding the Indian art and heritage is the need of the moment. You have to discuss in 150 words. So before proceeding this question, let us discuss some features, Guys, art and heritage of any society is basically the core element of any society. And one thing is again important about art and heritage. Every heritage is perfect. You cannot scale them on the development scale that the heritage is backward or forward. Every heritage is perfect in its own way because it evolved in its local settings. But here, it is very unfortunate the passiveness by the contemporary governments and also citizens of India. This heritage has been neglected, and now it has become a serious issue. That now this issue had got currency, and now a need has been experienced. It was a need has been experienced how to preserve the heritage. And if a society which does not have any sense or seriousness to preserve the heritage, it cannot progress. And here we can also say like this, that the preservation of art and heritage is also the part of fundamental duties. The preservation of art and heritage, because it is an intrinsic part of society. Art and heritage you may surprise to know, due to different violations by our members of society, art and heritage, some components are being lost, So here we can say, due to irregulated tourism, smuggling of art goods, theft of art goods, not proper preservation of the monuments. You may surprise to know, few years back, a report of ASI, Archaeological Survey of India, had disclosed that 24 monuments it is a report of ASI, Archaeological Survey of India, had disclosed in its report that the 24 monuments are missing. It is very unfortunate. It is a blot on any society. So guys, now it has become a currency that how we can try to preserve the elements of art and heritage. Here we can pinpoint the efforts that we can say like this. Firstly, in the introduction, we can say art and heritage of any society is a is a very important treasure of any society. A society which does not preserve its heritage is bound to decay. In fundamental duties, in the Indian Constitution, in Part 4A, it has been referred as fundamental duty to preserve the heritage. Along with this, we have found that after independence, Government of India had passed in 1947-72, the two acts has been passed. Preservation of Antiquity Act. So these efforts were made by the Government of India for the preservation of the art and heritage. It was passed in 1947, then amended in 72. And recently, the government had also passed some series of acts like conservation of wall painting, conservation of wall painting, 1996, 97. 96, 97, an act was passed because, it is very unfortunate. The paintings lying in the ancient India, that is prehistoric India, Ajanta, Ellora, and the caves, they are in a very poor conditions. So hence this act was passed regarding for the preservation of the same. Along with this, government had declared a very interesting program, Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. This program was declared to Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. They were the programs Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat to preserve the art and heritage of India. Along with this, government had also initiated some programs like Tribal Heart for the promotion of goods manufactured by the tribals of India. It is Tribal Heart, E-Heart. Along with this, government had also provided a concept called as GI tag to the local product. Hence, guys, today it is a need of time to preserve the art and heritage, and since it is a part of fundamental duty, now a time has come to be very serious about the preservations, because if a country which does not secure its art and heritage is bound to decay. Okay, guys, now we are shifting towards the next question, question number 2. Let us see what is the question number 2 here.